is this?
Akin na yan, Wilfred!
What is that? Where's the part that I pushed you away and I rejected you? Ronnie, you edited that video!
Wilfred! We did it! Okay, we did it! May nangyari sa ating dalawa! What more proof do I need, Dad?
Amber, it wasn't like that, okay? Nothing happened that time.
Pero may nangyari sa ating dalawa!
Not that time, Ronnie!
Eh di lumabas din yung totoo. Straight from your own mouth. You and Tita Ronnie had an affair habang nabubuhay pa si Mom.
Amber. Anak, please, let me explain.
No! Hindi mo na kailangan mag-explain. Niloko niyo si Mom. Niloko niyong dalawa. Nakakadiri kayo!
Amber!
Amber! Anak!
Amber! Kapal na mga mukha ninyo. Niloko niyo si Joy? Kung makasumbat kayo sa akin, parang ang lilinis ninyo, ay mga baboy naman pala kayo!
Watch your words, Carolina. I just exposed the truth to discourage you. Now that you know, siguro naman hindi mo na babalikan si Wilfred.
Hindi na talaga. Kahit kailan naman hindi sumagi sa isip ko balikan ng lalaking yun eh. Iyong-iyo na siya. Total, pareho kayong cheater. Pareho kayong nakakasuka.
Amber, please. Amber, sandali na pag-usapan natin to. Amber, please, wait! Amber, I wanted to tell you earlier, okay? So please, listen to me.
How can I listen to you when I don't even know if I can trust you? Dad, you didn't just cheat on Mom. Niloko mo rin ako when you and Tita Ronnie had that affair. Akala ko, meron akong trustworthy na dad na hindi kami kayang saktan ni Mom ever.
Amber, I never wanted to hurt you and your mom. I promise. Wala kami relasyon ni Ronnie. Minsan lang may nangyari sa amin. Please, you have to believe me.
Doesn't matter if minsan or madaming beses. The point is, you still did it. Just please don't talk to me. Pasalamat ka wala akong mabuk kasi kanina pa dapat ako umalis dito.
Amber, ako na, ihahatid na kita. Ako na kung bahala kay Amber.